joints are so much thicker and heavier than driveways are. So I think the main impact probably came down around here. I guarantee there's nothing there. Let's go take a look at the hinge. Tapered it. A little bit of scissor wheel. Looks like they might have gotten a little movement on those fibers there, but didn't really matter. Tapered the hinge just to protect against the side link because the van was on that side. And you can see I wanted to hit the log, but I was hedging to the right side of the log, so she hit perfectly right where she was gunned. Come on over here and let's take a look at the gun. The gun is going, you gotta be right behind it. Right behind it. You see the gun? And that's exactly where the tree ended up going. Happens all the time when you use that scissor wheel and the tapered hinge. You don't need to adjust the gun on them most of the time. So, I think it'd be